Welcome to Tiny Science Tutorials. Today, we venture into the cosmos to explore the captivating realm of the Asteroid Belt. Join us on a celestial journey through a region of space filled with ancient remnants, mysteries, and potential treasures. Imagine a vast expanse between Mars and Jupiter, where countless rocky bodies, known as asteroids, orbit the Sun. This dynamic region, the Asteroid Belt, holds clues to the early days of our solar system. The gravitational influence of Jupiter played a pivotal role in the asteroid belt's formation. Instead of coalescing into a planet, these rocky fragments remained, ranging in size from mere pebbles to dwarf planets. Some asteroids, like Ceres and Vesta, have distinctive traits that make them stand out. These ancient wanderers carry the stories of the solar system's past. While some may view asteroids as potential hazards due to their orbits, they also hold the promise of scientific discovery and even resources. Scientific missions like NASA's OSIRIS-REx and Japan's Hayabusa 2 are providing us with unprecedented insights into these space travelers. As we conclude our cosmic exploration of the asteroid belt, we stand in awe of the mysteries it holds and the potential it offers for the future of space exploration. Like and subscribe to our channel for more captivating science episodes. Until next time, keep gazing at the stars and reaching for the unknown, 1 minute at a time.